All right, well, I just think we all have to, look at where we are, different companies, different, product, service, whatever it might be, and just understand, right now, if you've ever wanted to be in the right place at the right time with the right people, it's literally right here, right now. I mean, right now the economy's terrible, job market is absolutely awful, and all of us have an opportunity of a lifetime to make a difference, guys. And the way you do that is having belief. You have to believe in yourself, you have to believe in your company, your upline, your mentors, your everything. And a lot of people in this room, I encourage you guys today, you guys show up for the weekend, pay a lot of money, take a lot of notes, but some of you guys haven't even closed yourself. So before you close anybody else into your business, you have to close yourself. And what I want you guys to understand is that there are already average normal people, know better than you, know smarter than you, already earning 6 figures a year, 7 figures a year, and everybody can do it. We're all normal average people with above average dreams and goals, you guys. So number 1, believe. Number 2, you have to have vision, man. You have to have vision of where you're gonna be. You have to see yourself in the future. You have to see yourself driving that car, living in that house. Retired mom, retired dad, have a nice car, have a nice house, man, traveling the world, donating to charity, building the school in Guatemala. Whatever you want to go do in life, you have to visualize it up here first. Because I guarantee you every single person up here saw their life they're living right now before it even happened, man. Okay, whatever your mind, whatever you put up here, whatever you focus on grows. Okay, and as a leader, we're all leaders, regardless of your rank, regardless of your income, regardless of where you are in your company right now. Okay, we're leaders, and what leaders do is they create momentum. And the way you create momentum, number 1, positive attitude. Positive attitude leads to high potential. High potential leads to all-out massive action, okay? And all-out massive action leads to results. So all of us should leave here on an absolute mission, okay? And you have to lead by example, man. Whatever you do, your team's gonna do. Whatever you don't do, your team's not gonna do, man. So you have to be a leader, and you have to just step up and have passion and belief and conviction and just understand that we're all God's highest form of creation, right? We're all God's highest form of creation, and just get that this right here, this is history in the making right now, because this network marketing professional is gonna literally save mankind, you guys. So you guys are a part of history. We're a part of history. We're learning from the Godfather right here, right now. So you guys gotta step up, step out, take all that massive action, man, and 100% make it happen. Thank you, appreciate it.
All right. Woo-hoo!